I will like to share my strategy that I think helped me crack the UPSC examination. And before that, I would like to give a disclaimer, and that is the strategy for each of the people you see the names in the list varies. For myself, I also liked to watch strategy videos by previous year toppers. And one thing I did was I tried to connect somehow, not directly, but somehow connect with a topper through their talk or interview. And if I find any kind of similarity between myself and the topper, I could also connect to their strategy. When also listening to the strategies by various toppers, I also picked and chosen those that stuck with me, or that ring a bell inside me. I took only those strategies, and so when it comes to listening to my strategy, I would like to say that uh, take everything with a pinch of salt, then do your own evaluation, and then find out what suits you and what doesn't suit you. This is the thing that I can do for you, that is to share my strategy. So I'm going ahead with that.